This is Christmas in July here at Blizzard Beach. It's a nice day. We're gonna see what's going on here. We're gonna sell you some nice products here at Slice of. I'm joking. We're not QVC. We're not HSN. But no, you can see these little cute snowmen behind me. There's Button. She reminds me of my dog Frankie and Francesca. You saw in the video. She reminds me of her. And here's the dad and the mom. They have not sweat. You know, they have not melted before. I guess it's a new feature they added, but now they melt. Because, you know, they're obviously in the sun here at Blizzard Beach. Look at Button, she's so cute. I mean, look at her. Oh my god. Oh, it's such a cute little snowman family. It's adorable. But anyway, we're gonna see what's going on for Christmas in July. Nothing's really going on special, except the winter-summer games. They're really fun. I played them last year. I've not gotten the chance to play them this year, but they're fun. They are fun. They're super fun. So we're gonna maybe we might do that in the future. I'm not sure. I mean, the games might ended by now. I think it's like 2 or 3 right now. I think they probably ended by now. Or the last one's just going on. I don't know. But anyway, guys, let's get ready for some Christmas in July. Hey guys, what's up? This is Christmas in July at Blizzard Beach. When it's raining, yeah, it's raining at Blizzard Beach right now, everybody. It is raining. So yeah, you can experience Blizzard Beach in the rain. What's this? You're already in the water. Then you run out, you rush, you get out of here when it's raining, when you're already, oh man, you're already in the water. Wow, I mean, it's pretty crazy right now. It's raining. Yeah, it's just raining, everybody. Give you an underwater view. All you can see is faint view of people. That's about it. Nothing to see underwater, just water. So yeah, it's raining as you can see. It's a bright sunny day, and it's just raining. Here it looks weird. It's like we're out somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean or something. You know, it's just like, oh my god. Yeah, this feels a lot more like an ocean right now than a water park because it rains sometimes down in the ocean. Awesome first-person view swimming. Yeah. Yeah, I can swim in the rain, like swimming with Jack at the beginning of Bioshock swims through the fire. But no, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Jack's like swimming and then he goes to the place where he can throw in the atmosphere and all that. But yeah, it's raining right now. This has a really good float. A lot of water. Somebody had to get a different float because somebody put ice in my orange float. Does that make sense, right? Yeah. So I had to get another one. Let's keep both of them. So that's nice. But yeah, you can see it's just raining. Yeah, guys, you can see it's just raining right now. Oh my god, it's really heavy rain too. Getting like lost. Sorry about that. Oh my god. It's really raining right now. I mean, this is some real rain. That's some real swimming shots right there. Yeah! You hear my dad say, the rain kind of like hurts. Let's see, there's an inner tube out here to get into. Let's see. Oh man. No, we got inner tube. But we didn't. Oh my. Oh my god, guys. Searching for an inner tube. Come on, inner tube. Come on, inner tube. Oh my god, this is hectic right now. A tornado could come. I'm joking. There's no such thing as a tornado. Too bad there's not. Oh my god. Guys. Just looking for an inner tube. That guy just took that one inner tube. And yeah, it's just raining. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. How cool would it be to get on that in the rain? That would be cool. Summit plummet. Hand went underwater for a second there. Still underwater. Another time. Okay, guys. Let's go. Sorry. Okay. Just hit that shit with my head. A little kid hit him on my head. It's not really good. It's just. Oh my god. The rain does not look like it's ceasing. It's just going. It's just going. You see a nice view of the sky there. Everybody. There's the sky. There's a lifeguard.